Can you say hi?
Hi.
So what are we doing right now?
We're opening these boats.
Oh yeah? And what are we gonna call? What are we gonna do?
We're going to put them in the water, and they're going to go really fast, like a speedboat.
Wow, that's so awesome. So, let's open it up. You get to open it, and let's see how it goes. There's Harley over there. Hi, Harley.
Say hi.
She's so cute. She waved too. Oh my gosh. This is going to be your first ever episode inspired by, well, who's your favorite YouTuber? What's your, who is it?
What's your favorite?
Ryan.
Yeah? You watch it all day, don't you?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So now we're going to create our own.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we got. Tell everybody what your name is.
Need some help.
You need some help?
Yeah.
Can you ask Chicken to come help you?
Chicken, how do you call
Your chicken.
Yes, this is his big sister, Chicken. And her real name is Kaylee, but to him, she's Chicken. What's your name? What's your name? Hey, tell everybody your name.
I'm Jonah Wesley Edgar.
That's right. Okay, and there's the other sister right there. We're starting our own toy review. We're going to come up with a cool, spectacular name.
You gotta have.
Okay, so now we got to figure out how to put it together, okay? So see if your sister can help you while Mommy films.
I know how.
This is Cassie, other AKA Monkey.
Hey.
How's it working? What do you got to do, Jonah? What is that thing?
It's a blow up.
To blow
Harley,
up.
look.
Okay. How old are you, Jonah?
4.
Okay, you got this. Go, boy.
Here, can I try?
Let's Sissy help you a little bit.
I know how to do it. Let me do it.
You got part of the bathroom.
All right. You got it? Careful, don't break it. I think you're pushing on it where the air can't go in.
Come see your toy.
See, here, let's go the close up. See, it's this little boat right here. And it has a pump with a little hole right here. Okay, go ahead, push. I don't know if we got it in there, Bubby. Oh, there it goes. It's working. Keep going.
This is the moon.
Okay, keep going. It's a wind-up. Here, let me show you the package. It is a wind-up boat racer that we found at Safeway in the aisle. And I just randomly decided to do this and to video it. So, here we go.
Are you actually gonna post this?
I don't know, maybe.
Because this isn't professional.
It doesn't matter if it's professional or not. This is how we roll. We're half
It actually
rednecks.
can go fast.
Okay, so
Did you get it, Holly? Here, let me fill it up more. Let me fill it up a bit more. Because it's really got to be filled so that it...
don't pop it.
See?
What are you doing, Jonah?
He's just playing.
He's got his tongue sticking out. Wait. Okay, so now we got to put the motor on.
You see it? Okay. Do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
How does it work, Bubby?
Yeah, right there. And clip it on right there. You got it?
I don't got it.
You don't got it.
So hard.
Okay.
Really?
So we got some big. Oh, careful! We don't want to break the rudder. Okay, so what's this thing? What is that?
It's a wind up.
It's a wind-up thing. Perfect.
engine.
And then what's this thing?
It's the propeller.
The propeller. That's right. You're so smart. Okay, so then when we put it in the water, this thing should spin and it should make it go places, right?
But we gotta wind it.
Okay, is Harley's ready? Okay.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna pause the video and then we're gonna go outside. Okay. Okay, Jonah. So wait a second. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna wind it up,
What?
and then you gotta hold it. Come on, Harley. You wanna do yours too?
Ready? That's how
You guys put them next to each other and let them go at the same time. Okay, ready?
It's a race.
Set. Go.
Go. Let's see if they work. Oh no!
Circle.
There. Oh, you know why it's turned, Jonah? Your motor's turned.
Yeah.
You gotta make your motor straight. Okay, do it again. Oh, look, there goes Harley's. It's going good. All the way to the other side. I think Harley's gonna win. Oh.
Do you need help? Here.
Let's see.
I do need help.
Okay.
Okay, let's check it.
All right.
Here we go, Jonah. Ooh, look at that. You can see that motor going.
Okay.
Look at that.
Those are actually really cool. My balloon. Wait.
You like it, huh? All right. Oh, we got LPS riding.
Oh my gosh, they can have a little cruise ship.
Look at that. LPS. We got some LPS lovers over here.
No, I just think they're cute.
And, well, she is. She's definitely an LPS lover. Okay. All right, Jonah, let's do it again.
Can you help her again? Wind hers up so she can put it in the water.
Woohoo! All right, Jonah, so what's your review? What do you think about this toy?
This toy is awesome.
Yeah? And you like it?
Yeah.
Would you buy another one?
This one, great.
That's right. Okay. All right, say bye to all your fans, because you have at least one fan, your mommy, and I'm right here. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay.